Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about database design in the unit 3. In that, basically, we are discuss about introduction to database design and the dependencies. Normally, when we talk about introduction to database design, is the process of organizing data in a structured way so that it can be stored, retrieved, and managed efficiently in a database system. A well-designed database reduces redundancy, avoids inconsistency, and ensures accurate data storage. That is the reason we are using the database design. We are giving more important for a database design. Database design acts as a foundation of any database applications such as banking systems, hospital management systems, e-commerce platforms, and educational portals. Poor database design leads to data anomalies, that is data redundancy process of activities, difficulty in maintenance and performance issue. Normally, the focus we are giving more important focus for database designs to identifying the entities and attributes in a table, then defining a relationship between the data, applying the rules to maintain the data integrity. A good database design improves system reliability, performance, and scalability. Normally, the major goals of a database design is minimize the data redundancy, ensure data consistency, improve data integrity, efficient data access, scalability, security. Maximum these six steps playing a vital role for designing a database design. What it means, minimize the data redundancy means avoiding storing the same data in a multiple times in a multiple tables. It will give a lot of confusion to the user level, and also in the report taking time it makes a report in a non-sensible manner. Then ensure data consistency. Data should remain accurate and uniform across the database. We have to maintain the accuracy and uniform across the database design, so we have to maintain the data consistency in our database design. Improve the data integrity means rules. We are give the constraint rules and enforce the rules to invalid data is not stored in our database. So data integrity plays a vital role for database design. Then efficient data access. Data should be easily retrievable and modifiable whenever the user needs, or whenever the sensitive data we are not going to give to the user. Then scalability, giving the important for database should support further growth. Future growth, it is playing a important one. Suppose some people will design a database, they are not think about the future growth of the customer size. So if they design like that means what will happen automatically, the size of the database, it is not possible to modify, so it will give a lot of scalability issue. So definitely we have to give important for scalability. Then security, we are talking about the data, so privacy policies we have to follow, and the sensitive data policies we have to follow to secure the data. So these are all the things we have to give important. In the side, we have small sort of flow chart. It defines about what is database design definitions and design concepts. What is the thing we have to follow. After that, how it will incorporate with the user interface and application level. Then we are creating the database. After that, we are testing the database, and if we find out any bugs in the testing process of activities, again we are fixing that issues in the database. After that only we are deploy it in the real-time application. After deploying that, we are seeing that how it will work, how it will be managed. Then maintenance space will be considered. This is called as a finally only we consider it is a finished database. So when you are going to design, or when you are going to act as a database designer, You have to think about these things, and we have you have to consider, and you have to apply this process.